Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to welcome you back to the Nemtech Race Team YouTube channel. And in today's video, we have an absolute ginormous announcement. You might be asking yourself, why does he have two turbos sitting on the table in front of him? A lot of you might recognize this turbo as the stock turbo off of a GR Corolla. Most of you can probably put it together in your head why I'm sitting here with a bigger turbo. In today's video, we are going to be revealing to you guys our GR Corolla with the Lamspeed Racing turbo kit installed on it. The GR Corolla is done. You would notice that because it's not sitting behind me like it normally is. The GR Corolla is on the dyno, just right over there, right over there. Dave's got it going, he's got it strapped down, he's ready to tune it. So without further ado, we're gonna stop wasting time with the intro. I would like to present to you guys our GR Corolla. You guys might notice this is the first time we're actually dynoing the car in front wheel drive, because a lot of you are always saying front wheel drive's better, blah. There you go, front wheel drive. I got a government 5-star safety rating on this thing, dude.
Oh. Yeah, I'm sure it's down to a 2 now, but that's okay.
24 mile per gallon fuel. Yeah, right. Yeah, right. Alrighty, guys, so we have jumped into the car with Dave. We're sitting on the dyno currently, which is pretty crazy. I'm a backseat dyno driver, you know? We installed the Lamspeed Racing turbo kit. The turbo kit that we installed is a G25 660 with a 0.72 AR rear housing. So we got the bigger turbo kit. We have intercooler piping. We have a new PWR intercooler. We have Turbo Smart wastegates and Turbo Smart blow-off valves. The intercooler piping, the downpipe, and the exhaust manifold are all from Lamspeed himself, created in-house by them. Then all the other stuff is kind of sourced out to Turbo Smart for the wastegates and the blow-off valve. Then you have PWR. We actually bought the PWR kit made in the United States, which is super awesome. If you guys are used to kind of like modifying Subarus, the name Lamspeed would kind of be pretty familiar to you. Lamspeed is an aftermarket company that normally does a lot of Subaru parts, and we are using their boost controller because we had an issue with the stock boost controller. It's a vacuum source system versus the Lamspeed ones are, what's the opposite of vacuum source, Dave?
Pressure.
Pressure, yeah, duh. What's the opposite of vacuum? Pressure. So we went to a Lamspeed boost controller. Turns out one 3-port Lamspeed boost controller was not enough. So luckily, because we have the Cyvex, we are actually able to control 2 at once. I want to give you guys a rundown and show you the progression that our GR Corolla has made. So in front of us, we have 4 dyno sheets. On the top left is going to be completely stock, bone stock. The day we bought the car, we put it on the dyno. Top right, you're gonna see we maxed out the stock turbo right around 350 horsepower. The bottom left dyno graph is the first time that we installed the bigger turbo, but we were having a little bit of a wastegate issue. And then on the bottom right, we got the full beans, the full pull, 447 horsepower at 36 PSI. This is bigger turbo, downpipes, bigger injectors, the fuel system running E85, but it is stock bottom end. So all you guys asking, what can the stock bottom end hold? It can hold 450 horsepower and 385 pound-feet of torque. And yeah, with that, let's get back to the video.
So what I'm trying to do now is get our anti-lag working for between the shifts. I want it to kick the throttle so we can get a couple little bang pops, as well as keep the turbo spooled up.
Damn! This thing's so sick. This thing's so sick now. It's so much faster. That's so awesome.
We gotta put that danger to manifold Fast and Furious thing up real quick.
Yeah.
I'll edit it in. I'm gonna edit it in. Don't worry about it.
So because it's such a big turbo, something that me and Dave didn't really realize when we had ordered it is the lag that this turbo has is pretty sizable. I don't know if you guys caught that, but what Dave's trying to do right now is he's trying to turn on no lift shift or shift cut, which allows you to stay matted on the gas and then just clutch in and out and then shift gears without getting off the gas. So what that does is Dave's programming it to where it won't it'll let off the throttle, but it won't completely close the throttle plate. So what it does is it keeps kind of the turbo spooled, but allows the motor to kind of let off so you can do the shift. RPMs jump back down to third or fourth gear or whatever you're shifting into, and then you get right back on throttle, right back into boost. We had an issue with that not getting turned on before. So what would happen was, you know, it'd be whop, and then you'd shift and it'd go boom, and then you'd have to like wait for the entire turbo to spool completely back up, and it would take a couple seconds, and the turbo lag was horrible. So we're cooking with gas now, baby. We're gonna go stand outside. We're gonna watch shoot some flames.
Okay.
Because that's what it sounded like. That last one sounded like there was a big old kaboomer, and we missed it. All right, we're gonna interrupt this video really quick to tell you guys about a crazy announcement. You guys know since day one on the GR Corolla, we've been using an MBRP exhaust, and I am super excited to announce that for 2024, we are gonna be partnering with MBRP. So, if you guys want to go purchase an exhaust, you can now use code NEMTECH or go down below and hit the link in the description. You guys will get a discount on your next order. I appreciate you guys supporting the companies that support us and help us make these awesome videos for you. Go order yourself a new exhaust, and let's get back to the video. That was huge.
That scared me.
That was like crazy. I love it. I love it. Look at this. Look at these numbers right here. Look at that number. Mind you, we've probably done 5 or 6 pulls already. So these numbers are going to be a little bit warm. The highest that we got it to, I think, was yesterday. I think it was, hey, can you pop up that, do you know which one's the 444 one? Dave's got it, don't worry. Okay. So this was the highest one that we got, 444 and 375. And that was at 36.4 pounds of boost. All right, so right now what Dave is doing is he's changing the correction from SAE down to standard, and you'll see like right here, it changed from SAE to standard, and now the numbers read a lot higher. So now that 444 one is now reading 11 horsepower higher, now it's reading 455, still the same pound of boost, but now you're reading 385. So don't let these other shops and these other YouTube videos mess with your guys' brains, all right? They're trying to tell you false information. They're trying to inflate their numbers, and they're trying to market them to you to make you believe that your car does something that it actually doesn't do, all right? It took us a really long time to get that 444 number, and that's the number that we care about. Now, I'm gonna be honest with you, I'm still gonna title this video 450 horsepower GR Corolla. That's just the way it's gonna happen. But it's because I need the clickbait, all right? But I wanted to tell that to you guys so you realize, and you can look, because right up here, if they don't show you that, that means they're trying to hide something. Because a lot of people will cut that off the dyno graph, or they'll put this bar, hey, drag that up covering it. See, so what they'll do is they'll cover the STD calibration with the numbers so that you don't know. Nobody knows. So here's what happens now. We are completely out of X85. We had bought an entire 55-gallon barrel of it, and we went through that I'm not gonna say faster than we thought we did, because we did drive the car a lot. We did a lot of donuts in it. So we got our definitely good use out of the X85, but now I'm kind of tired of dealing with VP and trying to order gas and stuff because it's difficult up here in the middle of nowhere. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna probably have to retune the car on pump E85. Again, something that sucks about living out here in the middle of nowhere is our pump E85 is horrible content. So the car is gonna have to get detuned a little bit. We're gonna put some more gas in it, probably retune it tomorrow. If you guys aren't following me on Instagram, go down below. Follow us on Instagram. I have my link. I have the race team's Instagram link. We also got Lincoln's Instagram down there too. Yeah. The guy behind the camera. Yeah. But yeah, with that being said, the car's all done. Dave did as much as he could to try and fix the turbo lag. The car is so much better now than even when it was a couple days ago. So I'm really excited. We're gonna fill it up with gas. We are going to bring it out in the parking lot and we're gonna do some donuts for you guys. So look forward to that. We'll see you guys out there. Dude, this thing is so freaking awesome. I cannot believe it. It has so much power. It is so much fun. But I will tell you, we do need a hydraulic handbrake. So look forward to that in the next couple of videos. We definitely need to get that thing installed. But now that the car is done, it's almost Christmas time, which means we need to get a Christmas tree from the shop. And if you guys have been following the channel for a really long time, I think you know what I'm pointing to. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed the video, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Go down below, hit the like button. And if you guys have any questions, you know, we can't touch on everything in one video. If you guys have any questions, go down below, leave them in the comments, and we will get back to you as soon as we possibly can. If you guys want to follow along with the rest of the Corolla build, as well as seeing what our next project is, be sure to subscribe. And with that, this video is a wrap. I hope you guys have a good one. Peace!
Look, pocket rocket in my pocket, please don't make me pop it. All these boys just wanna copy the style, tell them niggas stop it. Whoa, whoa, it's my destiny, feeling like Latoya, like it found me my Beyonce, and she shotgun in the cockpit.